I'm here with my Nesco 4-quart roaster oven and a pumpkin, and I am going to be roasting this pumpkin in this roaster oven. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I've never used this roaster oven to roast a pumpkin before. This will be my first time. I'm really curious to see how it comes out. I have used slow cookers in the past to roast a pumpkin. I've also used my oven, and I've also steamed a pumpkin in my Itaki Pro electric lunchbox. I'm really curious to see how it comes out in this roaster oven. So here's the pumpkin. I cut it in half. I scooped out the insides, and it barely fits in this roaster oven. As you can see, I had to tilt it up a little bit. I'm not going to add any water to the bottom of this. I'm really curious to see how this roasts in this roaster oven, just like it is. So I'm going to put the cover on. Since the cover is raised, there's plenty of room for the pumpkins inside. And I'm setting it for 400 degrees, and I'm going to set a timer for an hour, and I'll be back in an hour and we'll check on the pumpkin. I have no idea how long it's going to take to cook. It's been about 45 minutes now. I want to open this up and check to see what's going on inside of it. There's steam coming off of these little steam holes, and it smells like the pumpkin skin that's around the edges of this roaster is probably quite dark. So let's open this up. This looks really good. There's actually quite a bit of like water accumulating in the pumpkin. Obviously it's from the pumpkin itself, and it has cooked down because as the pumpkin roasts, it does cook down. And it's soft. It's nice and soft. The sides here, for some reason this side, well, yeah, it is soft. Potentially it's done right now, but I'm going to keep it in here another 10 minutes just so we can call it an even hour. I actually see the pumpkin skin separating itself from the flesh of the pumpkin. I'm absolutely amazed at how nicely this is cooking, to be quite honest. So let's cover this and I'll be back in 10 minutes. It's been a full hour and I just turned the roaster off. It's now on off. Let's open this back up. And that's what the pumpkin looks like. It's completely roasted. Yeah, it's even a bit more softer than it was before. So it looks like an hour is like the perfect amount of time. And I'm gonna let this cool off a little bit before I take it out and remove the flesh from the skin. It looks like it's gonna be easy to do, so we'll see what happens. It's been a little bit more than a half hour now, so the pumpkin has cooled down nicely. Let's see if I could just lift one right out. This is what the pumpkin skin looks like, and look at that. Look, it just completely comes right off so cleanly. This is so nice. Look how amazing this is. That looks so good, and all I did was put the pumpkin in the roaster. Beautiful roasted pumpkin, and it tastes like it was roasted. When you roast a pumpkin, the flavor gets a little bit sweeter and the texture gets a little bit thicker, and this is really, really nice. I like it a lot better than how it comes out in a slow cooker. When it comes out in a slow cooker, I feel like it never really tastes or has the texture of a roasted pumpkin. It's always more like a steamed pumpkin. So this is really, really nice. I'm really gonna enjoy this. Here's the other half. Let's see how this does. Will this come off just as easily? Look at that. Wow. That's like perfect. Look how amazing that came out, and it was so easy. All I had to do was cut the pumpkin open, scoop out the inside, and put it in the roaster. That was it. And I have amazing roasted pumpkin. This came out better than any roasted pumpkin I've ever made. I'm really excited about this because right now, as I film this, we are really early in pumpkin season. That means I'm definitely going to be enjoying lots of roasted pumpkin this year. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else can be roasted in this Nesco 4-quart roaster oven. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.